After learning about the general formula, the structure formula, the functional group of alkane, let's look at other properties. For example, we look at the physical properties. First, let's recall alkanes. These are the members: methane, ethane, propane, butane. Okay, by looking at the name, alright, you will know that the first few will tell us as 1 carbon, ethane 2 carbon, prop 3 carbon, but 4 carbon. Must eat proper breakfast. So you can see as the number of carbon increase, the size will increase. There are 3 physical properties that we're talking about: melting point, boiling point, viscosity. Viscosity means the ease of flow of the liquid. The harder to flow, the higher the viscosity. For example, oil is more viscous or has a higher viscosity than water because it's harder to flow from one point to the other point. Flammability means its ability to catch fire. So let's look at the trend. As the number of carbon increase, the size of the molecule increase. This will increase the intermolecular force of attraction. They are talking about covalent substances. So the melting point, boiling point has got to do with the intermolecular force of attraction. Therefore, more energy is needed to overcome, and this will increase the melting point and the boiling point. Similarly, for viscosity, it's quite similar, just that now instead of energy, we talk about it's harder to slide. Therefore, viscosity increase as the number of carbon increase. The only thing that shows the opposite trend is flammability, because the number of carbon increase, you need more oxygen. Therefore, it's harder to burn. That's why the flammability decrease. These 3 physical trend applies for all organic compound, all the homologous series.